In this video, we're going to learn how to read a raw domestic Notam. This is somewhat of a lost art because we have ForeFlight and other mission planning software that can decode and translate these Notams for us. But it's still important to have even a fundamental understanding of how Notams are formatted in their original form, because every few months you'll have that one Notam that ForeFlight can't accurately decode, and you'll have to go in yourself and interpret it. For more information on what a Notam is, you can watch my video on everything you need to know about Notams. And if you want to learn how to find Notams, I have a video on that too. Both videos will be in the description below. Alrighty then, so first things first, every Notam begins with an exclamation point. This is a holdover from legacy computer systems, which allows them to determine the start and stop of each Notam as they get a wall of text from wherever they download their information from. Immediately following the exclamation point is the accountability location, or the facility which published the Notam. Up next is the Notam number. The first two numbers is going to be the month in which the Notam was published, and then the last three numbers is just the number that was assigned to that Notam in sequence. After that is going to be the affected location. So this is going to be the airport, the NavAid, or the Air Route Traffic Control Center, or ARTCC, that appears after the Notam number. Up next is the keyword that lets you know what this Notam pertains to. And for domestic Notams, there are only 12 keywords that can go in this field. I think this is the most important part of reading and understanding Notams. So go ahead and pause the video, look through this table, and just familiarize yourself with those 12 keywords, some examples, and the meaning behind those 12 words. Immediately following the keyword is going to be the attribute and surface designator. An attribute would be something like VOR, DME, ILS, or localizer. A surface designator is going to be the specific runway, taxiway, or ramp that's being affected by the Notam. After the attribute or surface designator, there may be more information detailing exactly where or what type of airspace is affected for that Notam. After all the necessary details have been provided, then is the condition block. Some conditions would include out of service, open, active, or closed. After that, there may be a schedule or time block if it is a recurring daily Notam, and then finally a time block detailing the start of activity and end of validity for that Notam. This is going to be a 10-digit date time group going year, month, day, hours, and then minutes. And just like that, boom, you know exactly how to read a raw domestic Notam. Thanks for watching the video, and now a word from our sponsor. This video is sponsored by the Swago Shop. It's a project started by my wife and I, and we aim to provide custom aviation inspired apparel for squadrons or military aviation enthusiasts. We're currently producing UPT inspired apparel, so that's T-38s, T-1s, and T-6s in t-shirts, but if you ask really nicely, we can do any plane you want, and we can expand that to long sleeves, hoodies, phone cases, tote bags, pillows, you name it. Just let us know if you got a group that wants something. Right now you can follow us on Instagram at the Swago Shop, or you can visit our Amazon marketplace where we sell all of our t-shirts. Just scan this QR code with your phone and you'll be one step closer to our super dope T6 Texan Driver t-shirt or any of the other t-shirts we have available in our marketplace. So once again, if you're looking for any kind of military aviation apparel, or you just want to help my channel out, please go check out the Swago Shop.